Hi, welcome. Today's lesson will be about Introduction to Fraction. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to define a fraction, define and identify a numerator and a denominator, read and write fractions in words. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole, like a piece of a whole pizza or a whole pie. A fraction is also a part of a set, like in a dozen cupcakes. So as you can see on the figure to the right, imagine this is a whole pizza, and if you take a part of it, this is a piece of a whole pizza. This is a fraction of this pizza. Equal parts. To have a fraction, you must have equal parts. As you can see in these two figures, the first one in yellow is not of equal parts, while the second is of equal parts. What does a fraction look like? It's a numerator over a denominator. A numerator means how many equal parts do you have. A denominator means how many equal parts is the whole divided into. If you look at this pizza, it's divided into 4 parts. You are left with only 3 parts of this whole pizza. So, how many equal parts do you still have? 3. Okay, but how many equal parts is the whole pizza divided into? 4. So 3 over 4. How do we read fractions? 1 of 2 equal parts is called half. 1 of 3 equal parts is called third. Okay, let's get into more details. 1/2 is 1 over 2. 1/3, 1 over 3. 2/3, 2 over 3. 1/4, 1 over 4. 3/4, 3 over 4. 5/6, 5 over 6. 6/8, 6 over 8. 4/10, 4 over 10. 12/17, 12 over 17. 25/17, 25 over 17, and so on. Parts of a set. We made 6 cookies. 1 is a peanut butter and 5 are chocolate chips. How would you write the number of peanut butter cookies as a fraction? First, we put the number of peanut butter cookies in the numerator and the total number of cookies in the denominator. So we said the numerator over the denominator. What's the numerator here? We have 1 peanut butter. What's the denominator? What is the total number of cookies? It's 6. So it's 1 over 6. What fractions of the boxes are orange ones? Okay, we have 2 orange boxes. However, the total number of boxes is 4. So 2 orange boxes out of the total number of boxes. What fraction of the stars are yellow? How many stars we have in total? 5 stars. This will be put in the denominator. How many yellow stars do we have in these 5 stars? 2 yellow stars, so 2 out of 5. That was all for today. Thank you for attending this class.